Hello, everybody. This is Haida Al-Qasri talking to you. There will be two online IELTS training courses starting on Monday and on Tuesday next week, Ramadan, the 11th of March and the 12th of March. Intensive and regular. The lectures of the regular course will be on Saturdays, Mondays, and Wednesdays from 10 to 12 p.m. 25 to 30 sessions. Each session lasts for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. The lectures of the intensive course will start from Tuesday, 4 to 6 lectures a week at 8 p.m. 25 to 30 lectures, which may take 5 to 8 weeks. A very important note that the week of Eid will be a week off. Those who are interested may contact me on 0780 843 8341 via WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, or a phone call. Or you may just send me a message on Facebook. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.